Drone enthusiasts, creators, and FPV fans, this is one of those moments where the leaks alone feel big enough to shake the entire industry. The first real images and details of the DJI Avata 360 have surfaced, and they paint a picture of a drone that's not just evolving, but redefining what immersive aerial capture could look like. This isn't about small upgrades or minor refinements. From what's been revealed so far, DJI appears to be blending high-energy FPV performance with full 360-degree creativity in a way we haven't truly seen from them before. At first glance, the Avata 360 feels instantly familiar, yet undeniably different. It carries forward the DNA of DJI's FPV lineup while hinting at something more ambitious under the hood. The idea is simple but powerful. Fly freely, capture everything, and decide the story later. That concept alone has massive implications for creators, travelers, and action shooters who want flexibility without sacrificing speed or control. If these leaks are even close to accurate, the Avata 360 could mark a turning point in how drones are flown, filmed, and experienced. Based on the leaked images and information, the DJI Avata 360 stays close to the compact size of the Avata 2, but the design has clearly been refined. The body looks slightly flatter and more streamlined, giving it a more aerodynamic profile while still maintaining that rugged FPV identity. The four-blade propellers suggest improved stability and efficiency, especially during fast directional changes or aggressive maneuvers. Combined with reinforced propeller guards, the drone seems engineered for confidence. Whether you're flying indoors, through tight spaces, or pushing speed outdoors. Camera protection appears to be a major design focus. The Avata 360 reportedly borrows heavily from Neo-style safety concepts, with guards positioned to shield the lenses during close passes or unexpected bumps. This is especially important for a drone designed to capture immersive footage from every angle. One careless moment shouldn't mean damaged optics, and DJI seems to understand that creators will push this drone hard. Flight modes are where the Avata 360 really starts to separate itself. In traditional FPV mode, the front-facing lens takes priority, delivering a wide, immersive field of view that FPV pilots expect. This mode is clearly aimed at speed, precision, and adrenaline, keeping latency low and responsiveness sharp. For smoother footage, a stabilized FPV mode is expected to help iron out aggressive movements, making cinematic runs far more achievable even for less experienced pilots. Then there's the headline feature: full 360-degree capture. The Avata 360 is rumored to use two spherical lenses positioned above and below the drone, each capturing 180 degrees. Together, they record the entire environment in every direction. Instead of worrying about camera angle mid-flight, pilots can focus purely on movement and creativity. Later, during editing, the footage can be reframed to highlight forward motion, dramatic reveals, top-down shots, or even perspectives that appear to chase the pilot. This approach completely changes how aerial storytelling works. Missed a shot? Turn the camera virtually. Want a dramatic pull away after the fact? It's already captured. For action sports, travel, and fast-moving subjects, this level of flexibility is game-changing. High-resolution video and extremely detailed panoramic photos are expected to be part of the package, making the Avata 360 suitable not just for FPV enthusiasts, but also serious content creators. Performance-wise, leaks suggest the use of DJI's next-generation transmission system, offering extended range, strong signal stability, and ultra-low latency. That's critical for FPV flying, where split-second response makes all the difference. Battery life is expected to see a modest improvement over previous Avata models, which may not sound dramatic, but even a few extra minutes can significantly expand creative possibilities. Onboard storage is also rumored to be upgraded, reducing the immediate need for external memory while still supporting expandable options. However, there's an important reality check here. Working with high-resolution 360-degree footage isn't simple. Editing this kind of content requires powerful hardware, experience, and time. Stitching artifacts can appear in complex environments like water, trees, or close objects, meaning this drone rewards creators who are willing to invest in post-production. Overall, the Avata 360 feels like a deliberate fusion of FPV energy and creative freedom, designed not just to fly fast, but to unlock new ways of seeing the world from above. Another aspect that makes the DJI Avata 360 especially compelling is how it seems to lower the creative barrier without dumbing down the experience. For newcomers, the combination of intelligent stabilization, protective design, and automated correction systems could make complex-looking shots achievable with far less stress. At the same time, experienced pilots aren't boxed in by heavy automation, as manual FPV control remains a core part of the drone's identity. This dual personality is where the Avata 360 truly shines. It adapts to the pilot rather than forcing the pilot to adapt to it. Whether you're flying through narrow indoor spaces, weaving between natural obstacles, or capturing fast-moving action, the drone appears designed to stay predictable, responsive, and confidence-inspiring. That balance between safety and freedom is difficult to get right. But if DJI executes it properly, the Avata 360 could become a go-to platform for creators who want dynamic, immersive footage without constant fear of crashing or missing the perfect angle. The DJI Avata 360 looks like DJI's answer to a growing demand for drones that prioritize creative freedom without abandoning performance. Instead of forcing pilots to choose between immersive capture and precise control, this drone appears to offer both in a single, compact package. It represents a shift toward flying first and storytelling later, a philosophy that perfectly matches how modern creators work. What makes this especially exciting is how balanced the concept feels. The Avata 360 doesn't seem to replace traditional FPV drones, nor does it try to be just a floating 360 camera. Instead, it sits right in the middle, offering speed, manual control, and adrenaline alongside flexibility, safety, and post-production freedom. Instead of locking pilots into a single camera angle or forcing constant adjustments mid-flight, this drone embraces a more freeing philosophy. You fly with intention, confidence, and speed, knowing that every angle is already captured. That alone removes a huge layer of stress and opens the door to more expressive, experimental flying. What's especially exciting is how the Avata 360 appears to respect both worlds. FPV pilots still get the responsiveness, control, and adrenaline they crave, while creators gain the flexibility to craft their story later in editing. This balance could make the Avata 360 appealing to a wide range of users, from beginners discovering FPV for the first time to experienced pilots looking for fresh visual possibilities. If DJI delivers on what these leaks suggest, the Avata 360 could redefine how immersive aerial footage is created. It won't replace traditional drones, but it may change how often we reach for them. As competition in the 360 drone space intensifies, DJI's entry could accelerate innovation across the entire industry. Stay connected with Technify because the future of FPV and 360-degree storytelling is getting closer, and it's looking incredibly exciting.